My name is Dr. Hamid Karbasi and I'm an industrial researcher at Conestoga College. My research is focused on advanced recycling technologies for waste electrical and electronic equipment. The growing concern of treating electronic waste responsibly is a reality and it requires innovative solutions. In this video, we are thrilled to present one of our recent robotic recycling projects funded by Ontario Centres of Excellence, OCE, and Greentech International.
Test 591.
We have practicality here. A lot of other schools don't have the trades around. They don't have people that are knowledgeable on metalworking, machining, things like that. And there's only so much you can get from theory in a textbook. You need to physically do something in order to understand it. We're at Conestoga College in the Advanced Sensors Lab, which is an offshoot of the Center of Smart Manufacturing. I work here as a research assistant. Essentially, they give us a problem, and with oversight from a professor who's knowledgeable in the area, we work directly with industry and we come up with a solution.
I've been working on the advanced robotic recycling project, where we recycle flat panel displays and CRTs as well, using vision-guided robotics.
I take part in a project with two other students. I do a lot of the mechanical work, the design and manufacturing and assembly, as well as I do some vision work, robot programming, electrical work, and I take on most of the clerical work, dealing with suppliers, getting the best prices for quotes, and making sure everything's kept in order.
And also the building and implementation of all the parts.
To me, it's more about becoming better. Every single time you solve a problem, you understand a new part of the way that the world works around you and a new way to interface things. A technical challenge helps you grow. You can only become so great in a comfort zone. By doing something outside of that, you're able to grow as a person, you're able to become smarter and better.
I wanted to come here because I'm a hands-on learner and I like to learn the application of what I'm learning in school. So the classwork, I'd learn the formulas and the theory, and then I'd have classes where I'd be able to apply that and actually use my hands-on skills to reiterate my knowledge and understand.
The reason that I'm in the field that I'm in is because I just wanted to do something interesting and different every day. This school specifically, it was Polytechnic Edge.
Polytechnic, to me, is the fusion of practicality and theory together and applied into real-life applications.
I've learned a lot about the electrical waste industry. I've been able to really hone those skills, so when I get out into the workplace, I'm able to be a significant asset.
The research helped me figure out more or less what I wanted to do.
I chose to do research at Conestoga College because it allows me to express my engineering theory and my skills into a practical industrial setting.
Research here at Conestoga has been amazing. It's really helped me go forward. In the school we have projects, but they're in large groups, so you only get to do certain amounts of the project. But here, since there's been 2-3 of us, we've really had to all be involved in everything very heavily, and it's helped us gain knowledge everywhere moving forward.
I'm Tony Parada, and I'm the founder and president of Greentech. We are a company that specializes in secure disposal. It's important that this material, when it comes to end of life, is properly sanitized and that all the information is wiped. And also, if it cannot be reused, then when it's destroyed, securely destroyed, and recycled in a compliant, environmentally compliant way. When we started 5 years ago, we were just getting ourselves started in these research projects. We could see how great it's been, in the progress over the last 5 years. It's really helped us tremendously because Conestoga College is able to take on projects that we are not able to take on internally, especially on the research of technologies that you're going to be using in the next 5-10 years from now. The people we're working with are academics. They research. They're thorough in their research, and for us that makes us feel good that hey, we don't have to worry about not having the right type of technical skills. They have it. We're using it, and it's great.